Mine's broken, so I just gotta push it in and remove and lift up that tab so I can pull out that cable so I can separate it. Okay, I separated that piece. Now I can just lift this off. Nope, gotta pop this off here. Get back to the... Okay, finally got it out. Took a while. Pretty tight fit. I got it out. Now I just gotta cut this piece, take the spring off, and then put that over. Okay, take that plastic off, then you're just gonna take the spring off. Oh shit, what the fuck? Alright. Then we'll put this bad boy on there. And then just put that over there. We'll slide this. Slide the O-ring through. Try to do it with one hand. Okay, how we'll do next is slide this puppy back on through and connect this in here. Okay, we'll get back to that. Alright, I got that in. Got this part in. It's a little tricky. Then just adjust it from here. Yeah. And that's it.